Hello everyone, how are you guys? So today is very important video. I am going to talk about how to find vectors or some websites for finding vector graphics. Now this is not any kind of promotional video. I am just going to share my own experience here. So there are different websites where you can download vectors, like my personal favorite is freepik.com. Then there is vecteezy.com, there is vexels.com, there is allfreedownload.com, and so many more other websites here. But most of the time I am using freepik, sometimes I am using vecteezy, and then sometimes I am using vexels, because not every kind of graphic is available on every platform. Like I need something that is available on vexels but not on freepik, so in that case I have to use all of them sometime, but most of the time I get whatever I need, I get them in freepik. Freepik is the best among them, but you can just go ahead and buy anyone's subscription. So how vectors work and where to find them, this is the topic of this video. So first of all, this freepik is a stock website. Vecteezy, Vexel, all free download, everything there stock websites. You can download some stock graphics, that means they are pre-made, someone already made them and submitted them to this website like in freepik. Then designers like us, we can just download them and use them in our design to save our times. Like you can see here, I am looking at a very cool looking fast food graphics. These are vector drawings, so if I want to make something like this, it will take lots of time and of course this is not in my skill area. So that's why I will take these graphics to use in my design to make my designs in a better quality, but I will explain that later. But most of the stock sites, there is two way of using them. So one is the free way, one is the premium way. You can see here we are seeing some graphics like this, and so on some of them there is this crown sign, that means this is the premium option. Or you can search anything. Let's search for a skull because that's we need for making our graphics. So you can see there are some graphics showing up in the search result. These are all related to a skull. We can add this vector check mark here, that will show us whatever is related to that term, and that is in vector also. And you can see there is some of this premium icon, that means this crown icon, that means these are premium vectors. If we want to use them or download them, we have to buy premium subscription of freepik. And here are some other, that is without any kind of icon, like without this icon, that means these are free to download. And what is a premium and what is a free vector graphic, I will discuss that a bit later, but let's just try to understand this process, that there are some premium graphics and some free graphics. For some premium ones you have to buy subscription and then you can download them, and for free ones you can just create an account here and you will be able to download them. And same works for this vecteezy here. Let's search for a skull and you will see that I am finding different types of skull, different styles of designs. So maybe sometime I need this style of skull or I need this one, so then I will have to take it from vecteezy because that is not available here on freepik, you can see. So that's the reason I use all of them. And you can just search like here in vexels. So these websites are different than each other but very similar in a quality, that is all of them are working with similar graphics. Like you can see the result that freepik showing for a skull is different, the result vecteezy showing for skulls are different, the result vexels showing for a skull are different. So whichever style you want to go with, you can buy the subscription. So all of them here they work in same way, that is on premium, on free. You can see there is a free label here, this free written there. If there is this free written, that means this graphic is free. If that is there is nothing written, then this graphic is not free, this is premium. So the main point is, in every graphics or every stock site you will find some free graphics, some premium graphics. So if you want to stay in the safe side, then you can just simply buy anyone's subscription you like, anyone's style you like, they all are great. But my personal favorite is freepik because you will find tons of available resources on freepik than these two other website, but you can go with anyone you like. So that is the most genuine way, the legal way you can buy subscription of any website and for using their graphics. This is just to explain you guys that how we can use them. So premium subscription does not mean that I will be able to download anything and then I will just upload that into any other website. Like I am searching for a t-shirt design, so let's say this is a t-shirt design, so someone made this as a t-shirt design, I can simply download this. That doesn't mean that I will be able to upload this on any other stock site or any print on demand site, because then I will get banned. And the reason I will get banned, because if I can download this, then 1000 other people can download this also. And you can see this is free, that means it is already 6k people downloaded this. You can see on every file you will get this check mark that 35k people already downloaded this, 4k people downloaded. That means this number is the people already downloaded them. And when I am also downloading this, and if we everyone that this 6k people, 2k people, we start to upload these graphics on like Amazon or Redbubble, then there will be a massive ban or there will be just a mess. So that's not the way. That means buying a premium subscription does not allow you that you can simply take any design from Freepik and then upload that to any other website. So what you can do here is, or the legal way is, you can download a part of a graphic or you can download a graphic to make that a part of your design. Like see, you can, like let me say I am searching for motorcycle. So searching for motorcycle will give me this vector pack here, this vector search page here, and here I will be able to see different type of graphics on motorcycle. Everything I need here I will be able to find it. Some of them are premium, some of them are free. So whatever I want I can take them, but how to use them in my design. So you can see these are some already like kind of made the t-shirt design. So I am not going to take this t-shirt design and upload them on any print on demand site, but I can download this pack to take these small parts. Like I need this range pack, I can take this. I need this bike, I can take this. I need this engine part or this tire, I can take that. I need a very cool looking biker vector, then I can download this and then I can use this biker vector as a part of my design, not as this is not the main design, or just I cannot make 4 design out of it, like export for PNG and upload them to different print on demand sites like Redbubble, Amazon, something like that. So that's not the legal way. You can only download them for modifying and making them a part of your design. And for using Freepik graphics or any other stock graphics, there is only one website. This is allfreedownload.com. There you will not need to give an attribution, but here in the Vectigi or Vexel or Freepik, every time you are taking any graphic that is free to use, you have to give attribution to the author. I will talk about that a bit later. So that is what I can only do here. I can simply take any graphics bundle like this or anything. I need some element of biking element, I can take this, and then I have to make them a part of my design, then I can use them. And if you are confused about this part, I will make it a bit more clear. But that is why I will need to buy the premium subscription, because you can see I am really liking this graphic of this biker. So if I want to take this or use this, then I have to buy the subscription because this is premium. I am really liking this biker here, so if I want to take that, I will have to take the premium membership here. So that's the reason you need to buy premium membership, because most of the time the coolest thing, the greatest things are premium, because the artists who are spending their times to make a detailed graphic like this, they deserve this premium membership. They deserve to get some money out of this. So that's why most of the time good graphics are premium. So if I want to use one of these, or how can we use them, how can you find a good vector graphics? Like let me say I want to make a biker t-shirt design. That means I will need some biker vectors. Now obviously I am not going to use these two biker because they are very obvious and they are very common vectors. You will see if I take this vector and I do whatever I want, I will not be able to change its identity because it will look always same. and this is the only one piece available in here. So what I will do is I will try to find this smaller graphic pack where I can simply bring this small part of this graphic like this biker. If I take, it will not be recognizable, or it will not be a copyright problem. Anything is not a copyright problem because you can take that. But if you want to make that a part of your design, then go for this kind of vector packs. Like you can see, these are some parts of the niche. I can combine them and make a unique design using them. So is that legal or illegal to using FreePic graphics or something like that? I'm going to explain you that. So you can see here are some graphics that is free, that is free. Here is the premium. So let's not go for the premium. I have premium subscription here, but I am going to show you the free way. So let's say I need a biker graphics, so I am going to take this vector pack so that I can, this is a free one, so that I can use these elements to make a unique graphic for me. So I'm going to download this, and if you are going to download anything from FreePic, it is going to download as a zip file, and then of course in your account, if you go to your account section, so let me go to downloads, and you will see that with every download they will provide me a license key. So what is this license? I am going to show you guys in a bit, but with every download, it doesn't matter it's premium or free, you will get a license. And of course if you are using a premium license, then if you have a premium subscription, then you don't have to worry about that. But if you are using a free license, then this is the license looks like. You can see this is a premium license I get with my subscription or every file that I am downloading. So here is the license name, here is the subscription ID. So it will give me that exact vector link with this subscription license. That means if I am getting any kind of copyright problem on any website, I can just submit this license copy and that will be solved. So that is for premium. But for a free vectors like that we just downloaded, you will also get some license. So let me show you. This is the vector pack that we just downloaded. If I double click on it, I will find three things here. This is the APS file, that means this is the vector graphics file. This is the JPG, that means the preview of the file. And here you can see the license free and license premium. So if I open the license premium, you can see this is the premium license. You don't need to understand this anything, because if you have a premium subscription, you don't need to worry about anything, no attribution, nothing. You can just simply use them. But here is the license free. So this is the license for free. That means if you are not if you are an unsubscribed user, that means if you don't have the subscription, then if you are downloading a free file, what you can do or what you cannot do, that is what written here. I am not going to waste too many of your time. I am just going to show you some important part, that is you are free to use this image. This is the part I want to discuss with you guys, that you are free to use this image. And where I am free to use, for both personal and commercial project, and to modify it. That means they are saying I am free to modify and use this in my personal and commercial use project, the file that I am downloading with this free option. That means I can simply download FreePic graphics, and then I am allowed to use that or modify that in my personal or commercial projects, and then in a website or presentation template or application, or as a part of your design. This is the line I am telling from the very beginning of my channel, that I can simply take a FreePic graphics and then make that a part of my design. Then I can make my design to upload on print on demand websites. So this is the part you have to understand, that I am free to use this graphic, but not as a graphic. And you can see here you are not allowed to. So where I am not allowed, sub license, resell or rent it. That means I cannot tell anyone that this is my vector bundle, I created them, or like I am freely downloading from FreePic, then I am creating another website where I am selling them. So I cannot do that, because my license or free license does not allow me to do that. Include it in any offline or online, so the online or offline archive or database. That means like the way I am sharing this with my group, that is not legal here. Because if I can download this for free, you can also download this for free. But I am sharing sometimes because I know some of us, they don't understand this process very much, so it will be helpful for them. But that is I am not allowed, but I am allowed to use it, or I am allowed to use it and modify it for making my personal design. That means if I want to use this, like this meter, this bike, this engine part, I want to use this as a part of my design, I am allowed to do that. So that is what I wanted to tell you guys, that you can use FreePic graphic and then modify them and make them a part of your design. That is totally legal, you can do that. And if you still have some confusion, you don't want to fall in any kind of copyright problem, then there is also a solution. You can simply go and buy the subscription. It's not very much and it is yearly, like $89 per year. So that will be really cheaper if you, and you will be able to access all their resources for 1 year, and then it will ask you to renew. But that's not my discussing thing. So this is the part I wanted to tell you guys, that these are the website, the vector, the FreePic. So the FreePic, the Vectigi, the Vexels, all free download. These are all different stock websites. You can download vectors from there and then you can use them as a part of your design. You cannot just take them and upload them on print on demand site. No, even if you have a premium subscription, that does not allow you to use them or upload them to any print on demand or stock site directly. You can use them as a part of your design. So that's how you can work. This is where you can find your vector graphics and create an account on every stock sites like this, and you will be able to easily download their free version of the graphics they are sharing for free. So I hope this will help you guys understand this process, and this will help you guys staying on the safe side. And of course, if you are able to buy subscription, then you should buy it, because the designers who are spending their time to make this kind of graphics for us, they are working hard for us, so we should pay them. We should try to help them. So but of course it is not possible to buy all the site subscription. I have premium subscription of FreePic, I have premium of Vexel, but I don't have premium of Vectigi, because this is not really possible to buy all the website subscription. So if you can, then you can buy one websites, and if you can only buy one website subscription, then buy FreePics. That's my personal recommendation. So I hope that will help you guys understand this vector process, and it will help you guys getting some good vectors. So if you have any kind of question, let me know in the comment section. I will try to answer them. Thank you for watching my videos. Thank you everyone. See you in the next video guys. Have a great time.